Bro, look at me. You spent $847 last month on, actually, you have no idea, do you? Not rent, not groceries, just vibes. You're literally paying a memory loss tax. The average person drops $314 a month on impulse buys. That's $3,768 a year. Over a decade, that's $37,680 that just evaporated. Most people hear that and just keep scrolling, but you're not most people. You're about to stop the leak before you're officially cooked. If you make decent bank, but your bank account is giving deserted island at the end of the month, overspending isn't a skill issue, it's a design flaw. In 2024, Bankrate found 57% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency with savings. And it's not because we're poor the median household income hit $74,000 in 2023. That's eating out every night money in most of the world. Yet the Fed says 37% of us would have to sell a kidney or start a GoFundMe for a $400 car repair. The gap isn't your paycheck. It's the slow daily bleed of it's just $5 decisions. We're fixing 15 behaviors today. The ones at the end, those are the real final bosses of finance. Habit 1, give every dollar a job description. Stop budgeting backwards. Spending everything and then checking the app to see the damage is pure chaos energy. Use a zero-based budget. Every dollar gets a name before the month even starts. Rent, gas, I saw it on TikTok fund. Assign it all. People who do this save $200 more a month. That's a $2,400 a year raise just for being organized. Habit 2, the 24-hour cooling period. If it's over $30 and won't keep you alive, wait one sleep. The urge to impulse buy drops 53% after 24 hours. Retailers use only 2 left timers to trigger your fight or flight. Don't let a website play you like a side quest. Sleep on it. Your prefrontal cortex will thank you. Habit 3, delete your card info, all of it. Friction is your bestie. If your card is saved on Amazon or DoorDash, checkout takes 6 seconds. If you have to get up, find your wallet, and type those 16 digits, suddenly that late-night Taco Bell feels like a lot of work. Adding this inconvenience can cut online spending by 40%. Habit 4, the 90-day burn it down audit. You're paying for 4.5 streaming services. You haven't touched that workout app since your New Year's resolution died in February. If you took that $120 in Ghost subscriptions and put it in a Vanguard index fund, 10.5% historical return, in 10 years you'd have $24,800. Cancel the fluff. Habit 5, cash is the only real pain. Swiping a card feels like nothing. Giving away physical $20 bills? That hurts. MIT found people spend up to 100% more when using cards because the pain of paying is gone. Use cash for your fun money categories. When the envelope is empty, the party's over. Habit 6, no shopping while hangry or sad hungry people spend 64% more, even on clothes and tech. When you're stressed, you treat shopping like therapy. It's not therapy, it's a bill. Rule: no buying anything within 30 minutes of a mood swing. Habit 7, stop buying things for people you don't like. A huge chunk of your spending is social signaling. You're buying the fit to impress people who are too busy worrying about their own main character energy to notice yours. Harvard says this is why the $40,000 to $100,000 crowd stays broke. Stop performing for an imaginary audience. Habit 8, set a ceiling for the chaos. Rent is fixed, but what's your limit for treating myself? If you don't have a hard cap on dining out or clothes, that spending will expand to consume your whole life. Pick 5 fuzzy categories and give them a max level number. Habit 9, unfollow the enablers. Your feed is a 24/7 commercial. 48% of Gen Z bought something directly from social media recently. If an influencer is always doing hauls, they aren't your friend, they're a billboard. Mute them, Clear your digital environment. Habit 10, the life hours price. Tag stop looking at prices in dollars. Look at them in hours. If you make $22 per hour after tax, that $180 dinner isn't $180. It's 8 hours of you sitting at your desk. Is that steak worth a full Tuesday? Usually no. Habit 11. Set it and forget it before you spend it. Automate your savings for the day you get paid. If you wait to see what's left at the end of the month, the answer will always be $0. People who automate save 50% more. $150 a month starting at age 30 can hit $151,000 by age 60. Let the robots do the work. Habit 12. The Sunday Scaries Review. Every Sunday, spend 10 minutes looking at your transactions. Ask, was this worth it? This one habit reduces spending by 18% just by making you realize how much you're bleeding. Awareness is the ultimate cheat code. Habit 13. Nerf your environment. Willpower is a lie. By 10 p.m., your brain is fried. Put your credit card in a kitchen drawer. Use browser blockers for shopping sites. Make the bad choice physically difficult to do. Habit 14. Talk to your future self. Write a letter from you at 55. If you keep spending like this, is 55-year-old you thriving or working at a grocery store? Visualizing your future self makes you 10 times better at saving today. Don't leave your future self on red. Habit 15. Give your goals a deadline and a face. Save money is a fake goal. Save $8,500 for an emergency fund by December 31st is a mission. Specificity gets you paid. Print out a picture of your goal and tape it to your mirror. Make it impossible to ignore. 3 steps for this week. No cap. 1. Sunday. Audit. Total up what you spent on food and shopping last month. Face the jump scare. 2. The triple threat. Set up 1 automation, delete 1 app, and cancel 1 subscription by Friday. 3. Zero base it. Use a template or app to name every dollar for next month. It'll feel weird. Do it anyway. Stop waiting. Every month you wait, you're losing compounding time, and that's the one thing you can't buy back. Watch this next video on tiered savings. Which habit are you starting tonight? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading them all.